having the AJB Airshow extravaganza. It's our 3rd year that we have all of our clients and family and friends come and watch the air show across the street. Aaron loves to cook, which is why he's not here right now, because he is cooking ribs at home and he loves to cook for people. So I have learned that he loves chaos. He just thrives in chaotic situations. Oh great! We're having tacos after all! Come on, buddy. So just push your handle, Scott, check.
Fill the goose neck with ice.
Lower push your handle.
Lower this while pressing the red motor button. Megan and I are mama friends. And I've known her since our sons were like born, so good 5 years. All of a sudden I'm on camera. I don't know what's going on.
What are you doing? Douglas, how are you doing today?
Good, I'm not here though. I'm your camera guy.
I'm not supposed to talk to you? I talk to the camera guy all the time. Hey, how's it going? Look at that, would you look at that? The best ribs you've ever had. I'm gonna auction off a couple bobbleheads. I mean, I'm gonna do the whole thing. You know how to run that thing?
What makes a perfect rib?
The RekTek and me. The perfect rib, I don't really know. Whatever.
When it melts off the bone and nice and moist and juicy as it goes down.
If people like it, that's the perfect rib, man. I don't know. Everybody thinks they love this or they love that. It's if people like it. That's all I care about. You guys having a good time?
Yeah.
When did you guys get here?
Just like 5 minutes ago.
Cool. Max? Tell me, what do you think? Are they good?
I love it!
He loves it! Bob, neighbor Bob, how are you? Good to see you, neighbor Bob.
Good to see you. Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. Some free kittens to give away. We're giving away a kitten with every child under 10. We're giving away a free kitten.
Thought you were here for a barbecue, but you're really here to
You're
take
getting a cat.
He heard you say kitten all the way in the house. He goes, did somebody say free kitten?
Yeah, we got plenty of them.
Somebody said that.
Free kittens. How many do you want, Liam? Okay. We'll take 2 kittens right here. Come on. Bob, you're taking a cat?
Our dog was
That's okay.
That's our party favors today.
Yeah. We got outside cats and inside cats. What? Talk to me. Talk to me.
How do you do it?
Huh?
Is it the thin rolling smoke that does this?
It's the thin rolling smoke is what adds to it.
So I like a dry rub and then just eat them like that. I will dip from time to time in a good sauce.
You gotta have a dip. That's
Babe. Babe.
We're gonna have to sit down sometime and talk about
You want to come talk about ribs? These are the just the seasoning, okay? And those have sauce on them. And if you want some extra sauce, go over there. I will say, it's probably one of my better back ribs. Yeah. If I want to ever get romantic with a man, which I won't, not that there's anything wrong with that, it's gonna be this guy. That's gonna be all over Facebook. You know. Oh wait, you're in the military.
Yeah.
Holy cow, look at that. Look at those planes. That's awesome. A little scary. Love it. No jalapenos. But I love Mexican food. This hurts a little bit sometimes, if you know what I mean. Hey, they say, no jalapenos, please. Yeah, it's not hot. Thank my wife, don't thank me, because I had absolutely nothing to do with this. My wife is the one that puts this thing on. And her, and Katie, and Tiffany, and everybody else is pretty much the brains and everything else behind this. I just kind of come and tell some stupid jokes. AJB Airshow, #4.